Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama. What's up? If you want to know how I have prepared this yummy delicious pepper fish, you can call it whatever you like, party fish, stay tuned to the end of this video. Ingredients I'm going to use for this fish: this is onions, garlic, ginger, and fresh pepper. It's very sharp. Yeah, I'm going to use it for this recipe. And here is my paprika. I call it 3 wise men pepper. I have green, yellow, red. Yes, I'm going to use it for this recipe. I will cut it and blend it. And here is the fish. It's already washed and clean. Yeah, I'm using an tilapia fish. So let's get started. What I'm going to do, I will first of all season this fish. Yeah, so first I'm going to season it with a black pepper and thyme. Before then, I'm going to add my Maggi seasoning. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Yeah, so here is the Maggi seasoning. Yes, so I will just add a little bit of Maggi seasoning inside. Yeah guys, normally I supposed to use salt, but I'm not a salt person, so I decided to use Maggi. Yeah, you can as well use salt if you want. Then I will add my thyme. I will put the recipe on the description box of this video. Yeah, so right now I will add my black pepper. I'm trying to fix this camera well so that you can see everything. So this is the black pepper I'm going to add inside. I will put all the ingredients in the description box. Yeah, you add it according to your tastes. Then right now you are going to mix everything. You mix it very well. Yeah guys, so after mixing, we are going to set this aside. And so guys, what we are going to do now is to fry our fish. Yes, we are going to fry our fish. So now, as the fish is frying, we are going to blend our peppers. So here are all the bonnet peppers, onions, ginger, garlic. Yeah, so I'm going to blend it. I don't want to add water inside. That's why I'm blending it in a bowl like this. So right now we are going to start with the blending. I'm going to set it aside. Yes, I've finished blending it. I don't want it so pepper is very sharp. I don't want it. Oh my god, the pepper is very hot. I don't want it. Sorry guys. I don't want it to be too soft, as in I don't want to blend it very soft. That is how I want it. Yes, so guys, now our fish is ready. Yes guys, what I'm going to do is, our fish is ready. I'm going to reduce the oil from this pot. Yes guys, so now I will pour my pepper, blended pepper inside. After then, I will add my curry powder. Yes guys, I will add my curry powder. So I will add thyme, small thyme. Yeah. Now I'm going to add my Maggi chicken. Before I added Maggi from cow brand, this one now I'm going to add Maggi chicken. Yeah, you can as well add any seasoning of your choice at this moment. Yes guys, so you test for the seasoning. So my seasoning is okay. So now what I'm going to do is to add my fish. Yes, and mix it together. After mixing, I will add my chopped bonnet pepper. So now I will add my chopped bonnet pepper with onions, sliced onions, everything. Yes guys, then stir together again. So at this moment, you will just leave it to steam for 2 or 3 minutes according to your taste. Then your fish is ready. So thank you guys for watching. I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly join the family by clicking that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I upload new videos. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And please guys, if you love what I'm doing, please feel free to share my video. It's a way of helping your girl. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Ciao.